As you can probably see, the clouds are only good for a nice time lapse, but not for a nice holiday. Believe it or not, this was one of the most sunny days we had, thus the choice for paragliding today. As I watched how €60 fly out of people's pocket and into the Kefalonia paraglider's pocket, pun intended, my desire for adrenaline overcame the will to live long and preferably prosperous. Since the number of takeoffs matched the number of safe landings for those guys, I thought that even I can do this. In the end, years of experience of the two men made the flight look like a child's play. Enjoy the view and stay tuned for the visit to the ancient castle from Assos village.
Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, low.
After my feet felt the ground again, we got hungry, so we ate at this tavern, Myrtos Taverna. The food was great, plenty, and for €30, tips included, reasonably okay. The ice cream was fabulous and the staff was very friendly. I take advantage of our trip to Assos village to tell you more about the roads in Kefalonia. I wanted to talk about this since, as you can see, they can be very steep, sometimes narrow, and there are a lot of dangerous curves. Every now and then they can irritate you, especially when it's raining. The look of the steep slope just outside your car window can cure any constipation. At least it will be very quiet inside the vehicle. When we went to one of the northern cities, we tried the inland route. Since it rained the night before, the road was traversed here and there by what it looked like a small river of wet rocks. So for us it was a no-go, even with the 4x4. We returned to Vlahata, then the longer road looked like a charm.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear. Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear.
Drive slowly and pay attention to the road, as you don't want to be on the 5 o'clock news.
It's so fun. Running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, no. Keep running.
We got up to the ruins. There's a 1 kilometer long route, but not before passing by a wedding at the base of the hill. From the road you can watch Assos, not to mention you feel like you're in the middle of the nature. Listen to this. You can see more of the castle by clicking the card on the upper right side of the screen. After our visit to the castle was over, we decided to go to a small beach called Alaties, where we stay for the sunset.
Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life?
After one tiring day, we went back to Vlahata, got dinner, then made plans for the next day. But more on that on the next video. Bye!
Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous, but it's so fun. Running, running.